Hi everyone, welcome back to Ryan Easy English. My name is Ren Bennett. Today we will study the beginning sound of D, E and F. Are you ready? First let us study the letter D. This is the letter D. D makes the D sound as in dog. Can you say with me? D. Good. The next letter is E. This is the letter E. It makes the A sound as in egg. Can you say with me? A. Nice. Let's study the letter F. This is the letter F. It makes the F sound as in fox. Can you say with me? F. Very good. So today we learn the beginning sound of D, E and F. D, A, F. This is the end of the lesson 3. Did you enjoy the class? I hope so. See you in the next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.